What's up guys, Just Very Live here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In today's video, I'm with
the Bone Crusher.
And today we're going to be making slime. So, what do we need to make slime?
First, we're going to need Elmer's glue all, or just regular glue. We chose clear for this because it came with the kit. The kit also came with magical liquid, which is what you use to make the thing. We got some water with a syringe.
The syringe is used for
adding
putting the water in.
So that way we don't
to the slime and just mix.
Yeah, so that way we don't just pour the whole thing in there and lose count of how much we need.
Yeah, because
this way we can actually measure it. We got some of these. I'll be using a metal spoon to pour some into it, so that way we don't add too much like we did with our not failed attempt.
Yeah.
Because look, that's a lot of glitter.
Yeah, that's actually too much glitter.
Quite a few other attempts. This one is actually turned out well. It looks like a snowflake, just how it was supposed to. We also have glitter glue.
That's in a little box.
Yeah, for making littler ones after we make this big one. So that way you'll have something else to look forward to watching other than just one huge thing. Also stick to the end to hear more about our merch release that won't be soon. Will be in the future.
It'll be about like 2 months at least.
If not, then it'll probably take to the middle of next year after Christmas. So it'll probably take until June or July.
Or in the middle, or in like January or so.
Yeah, but
which is 2 months.
In other words, it's not going to be real soon.
Yeah.
So don't be expecting it real soon, because we still need time to come up with money to get some stuff to make this merch, including signed drawings that I could make from my drawing channel that I'll be making soon.
With my signature on them.
Both of our signatures will be on it, signed by both of us, and just...
Well, no, you'll have your own and I'll have mine, because you have your own channel, I have mine.
Yes, and we'll also be making a channel with both of us in it.
Maybe. That's not a promise though, but...
Yeah, you'll mostly like him better. So, let's get straight into it. First, we're going to need some Elmer's glue. I'm going to be... not the spoon, but just pour some in here.
Like, not a lot. Not a lot.
Unless you want to make a lot like this one.
Don't worry about the dog.
He's just working at something.
He's just barking at the door for no reason.
This is what happens when you use a lot of it. And this is what happens when you use about...
too much.
Less of this one.
Yeah.
I'm going to add a little bit more just in case. Don't want it to be too small. We still want some left over. But not too much, because we don't have that much of... Actually, we do have enough of it. But we're going to add some water now. Up to...
at least half.
Up to at least the 5 on it.
And then just pour it into the glue itself.
Yes.
Like 2 of them. Just
another one up to the 5, so about 10. Because this thing goes up to 10.
And then now is for the glitter.
You want to mix the water in there first.
Okay. You have to mix it first before doing anything, because...
I have some glitter stuck in it now. But that's fine, because we're going to be adding glitter anyways. If you want to, if you don't feel like it's watery enough, you can add 10 again. Add like 20. Later on, when we actually have more of this stuff, we'll be showing y'all how to make water slime, cloud slime, making slime with the Crayola modeling magic, which is like $1 at our local Dollar General, which is where we got this. We'll also get some stuff from Dollar Tree if we're low on budget.
Maybe.
Yeah. It's not a guarantee that we'll make more.
We are poor anyways. So.
Yeah. Anyway. So now...
is for the glitter.
Yes. So, get that off there.
So I'll be putting my YouTube color, which is blue and black. So this is dark blue,
Mine is red and black because Bone Crusher is just another name for Red X, which is mine. So now he'll add his onto the spoon. There's a bubble in there. I'm checking the time. I'll be right back. We're not stopping any more videos.
Okay. So this is as much as I'm going to put in. And now
I'm back.
now I'm going to mix it this time.
He'll mix that, and then I'll add the activator. And when you also you're gonna need a teaspoon thing.
For putting the activator into.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna add 2 half spoons depending on how much you have, and then you'll add 1/4 teaspoon. Yeah, it's teaspoon, not tablespoon. So that's mixed enough.
And now
Sorry
time for
if I start
activator.
scratching. I got bit by a mosquito, which I watched it. So now just first.
Now you need like 1/2. Like if you have one of these, put it in the 1/2 area, like 2.
Then put one of them in the 1/4. That went a little bit more than I was supposed to.
Yeah, but I mean it's okay. And now I will.
I'll mix it.
Okay, never mind. She will.
Yeah. So you'll mix it.
And now, after she's done mixing,
He'll tell you more about the design concept
so
for the merch.
So the design concept for our merch, well, I will have my logo on it, but I will also have my signature on the bottom or top. It depends on how I will do that, but what my concept would be.
Real quick, also mix it with your hands. Continue.
And the concept would just be like advertising my channel. And also, well, you know what? Also, if you buy
let's not talk too much. It's at the end of the video that we'll tell you more.
Yes.
So we're just talking about the design concepts. Mine will be my new logo I'll be putting in. I made my logo on myself. I can show you right after I do this because it's actually right on my phone. I designed it. And by the name Red X, you can tell it's just a red X on a black background. So it's also the cover of my story I'm making on Wattpad. The link will be in the description of his video when I give it to him. But no one seems to be reading it because no one seems interested. So
no one seems interested.
If you leave a comment on my story saying you came from my brother's channel, then you will get a special shout out in the next video we do together.
Which might be probably about like another week, maybe.
Yeah, when we get more of this stuff and when school's not in on the weekends. Unless we want to do one after school because we do get out a little early every day. Earlier than Middleburg. Middle school and elementary, not Middleburg. Don't want to do that. Don't want to make another one of those mistakes. Anyway.
Kid-friendly channel as well, so.
Yes. Why did you just now say that?
I don't know.
Which category is this going under, you may be asking? Probably...
Kid.
Friend.
That's a friend.
Friend, kid, listen here.
Wow.
Should we tell them about the Sebastian incident?
No!
Okay.
You're about to get off topic, and we don't want that.
Yeah, we don't want to go through another one of these hassles of making another one of these videos.
Yeah, because
This is a green one. Floppy.
It's also, stiff. Shut up, please.
They didn't hear me.
I know, but just don't get off topic.
So here.
I don't
is
want
the
to
thing.
stop this video
Here
and
it
then
is.
and that's the end of how to make that.
We're going to be making some small ones real quick. This is already 10 minutes long. It won't take long for us to make small ones.
You know what? This is enough for today.
Let's just continue talking about the merchandise real quick.
I'm going to continue with mine. Then in your channel,
I'm not doing one on my channel about it.
please.
My phone just turned on automatically.
Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna be talking about mine. She'll talk about hers. So, my concept is
While he's talking about his, I'll be adding.
So my concept for my merch would be like advertising my channel, and also if you are one of the first people to buy my merch, you will most likely be featured in one of my new videos. Maybe, or you could probably get a shout out if you're the second person to buy
If
them.
you're the third person, you'll get a signed copy of what we were, the Ender Knights?
No, it's
We were the Ender Knights for a while.
yeah, for the Minecraft channel. Speaking of the Ender Knights,
We're
we
also
need to make that channel.
That's a new
haven't.
channel we'll be making soon, where we'll both be doing Minecraft videos together.
Finally, after quite a long
Our
time.
old ones are bad, and we stopped doing those series after a while because the Minecraft worlds got deleted because Minecraft's being updated a lot.
And also we are on beta version, so we're not gonna update. We're not gonna update. I'm doing the Reddit thing. Update.
We're not gonna updo.
We're not gonna update like in Reddit.
I'm sorry.
I keep stumbling over my words while
So
I'm
do
talking.
I. If you don't know, we both have an ADHD problem. Stumble over our words a lot.
ADHD's world.
ADHD.com.
So this is the ADHD world that me and Bone Crusher, I was about to say your actual name.
That's right, Joseph.
Joseph Ray Live. Don't say my real name.
Just call me Red X. I'll call you Joseph.
Ray Live.
Joseph.
Or call me Thomas. Because
That's
that's
his
my
real name.
actual name.
You're not going to know my actual name anytime soon, guys.
Yes. Okay. Anyways. This is the end of the video. So if you liked the video,
If you didn't like it, then suck it up.
And don't even click dislike button, or I will find
Someone's
you
gonna
and
be
come to your house.
Thomas, family friendly.
I know. I'm not saying kill. I'm saying
Don't
beat.
even say that word on a family friendly channel, Thomas.
All I'm gonna do is just delete your Fortnite channel. Like Fortnite account.
Not channel, gosh. What are they, YouTubers?
Maybe. If they are. Okay.
Yes, but also, if you are a mad lad, we'll take a picture of it and we'll take a picture of it and put you on Reddit. Without your permission. And no one likes that.
I was thinking of something bad.
Something not family
Anyways, like the
friendly.
video.
Mature content.
If this helped you or we just annoyed you, subscribe. That's all I gotta say. And anyways, see you guys in the next video.
Hey, look, I made another slime.